Thanks to all of you out there, the channel had its biggest year ever. And thanks to all of you, we're going to give away a Quest 3. Funny thing, we actually still are in the process of giving away a Quest 3. So for that notification gang who didn't already know, there's a Quest 3 giveaway that ends tomorrow. So pretty soon. I think there's also some Racket Club games being given away too that Resolution Games gave us. So there'll be links in the description, in the top comments, that'll get you to all of these. First, brand new Quest 3 giveaway is going to be starting today. How do you get entered in that if you've never entered a giveaway with us before? We're currently running them through Gleam. It's just a lot easier. We used to run through the comments, but too many spam bots were showing up and making an issue. Speaking of that, if someone shows up and says, congrats, you won, and it's like JayBratt 20,600 something, I always announce winners in the videos and contact them directly through the email address they provided to Gleam. It's never through a comment. So remember, sometimes scammers get in there. We're pretty quick to ban them, but keep an eye out if someone tries to message you and say, Telegram me or WhatsApp me. Those are always fake. Anything you're on YouTube, if anyone ever hits you up, something like that, don't reach out to them. But on to the good stuff. So if you showed up quick, there's still a Quest 3 giveaway, but it's ending tomorrow. So it's probably over for most people who find this video. But for those of you who are here, I just want to say a huge thank you. That's why we're going to give away another one. And we're going to run it into February. Look down below in the comments or in the description to get over there and get entered in that. There's a lot of different ways to earn extra entries and extra points for all of you out there. Because of the channel having its biggest year ever, I actually took my first ever vacation thanks to all of you out there. Took a week, left for the channel, had an amazing time, saw some beautiful things. So just another huge thank you to all of you out there. You probably noticed if you're a close follower of the channel, we didn't have as many big videos coming out. We had to use some shorts to get through that. And you're probably going to see a little bit more of that this next week. John and I were barely back and immediately heading out to Vegas for CES so that we can keep you updated on the newest and the greatest in the VR world. So if there's something out there you know of that might be at CES, you want to see us try it, talk to you about it, let me know down in the comments as well. CES is one of the biggest tech trade shows of the year, but unfortunately, Apple doesn't usually have a presence at it, so it's unlikely we're going to get any chance to see an Apple Vision Pro or be anywhere near it. There are rumors that January 26th or 27th, they might be revealing it, the release date, at one of their big Apple events. So keep an eye. We're going to do our best to get you all the info on that as we can as well, although at $3,500, I don't know if we're going to get our hands on one, but I'm hopeful there's some way, somehow, maybe going to a trade show and trying one in person. That's what's going on with the channel right now. What's going on with all you out there? Let me know in the comments. I want to catch up with you after I got back from vacation. There's a lot going on, but I'll watch out for you. Especially, as you probably noticed, I try to stick around when a new video post at least for the first hour and respond to as many comments as I can when that happens. So for those of you who show up early and say something, even if you're just throwing the word first in the comments, I appreciate that you show that you're showing up here early. So thank you once again, and I will see you in another reality.